Hi, my name's Jackie. I'm the head housekeeper here at Lumley Castle. Here we have 71 bedrooms. On a busy day, we could be cleaning, turning around 71 bedrooms to ready for the next guests. Some days we could be doing, say, 40 departures, and then a lot of stay-over rooms as well. So this week is International Housekeeping Week. The girls, the team who I work with, they feel proud to be actually recognised, because some people say, oh, it's just cleaning. It's not just cleaning. It is, you do put your heart into it because you want to be satisfied at the end of the day, and for actually to be recognised is, I feel very proud, and I'm sure the girls who work with me, they're proud too. I've worked here for 9 years, and to me, the best memory I can think is winning the Manager of the Year award. And I just felt like it was a really big thing to me, to be acknowledged for the hard work that not just myself but my team had put in, because we'd really struggled that year. It was the year after COVID, so we did have a lot of challenges, but yeah, so it wasn't just me, it was the team that won it. Anyone who is thinking of getting into housekeeping as a career, it is a very rewarding job, but I would say it's not just your average housework. It is a hard job to do, but at the end of the day it is rewarding to see the end product like what you have done yourself. I feel very proud to work at Lumley Castle. To me, it's not just a job, it's not just a career. I feel close to the place because my family's worked here. My mum worked here before me. My daughters both work here alongside me as well in the team. But me nana, she worked here when it was just like the house. She worked here as a housekeeper. She met my granddad working here when he was posted from the army. They were posted down to here, so it does have a special place in my heart.
Have you got any tips for people back home? Any tip-top tips on cleaning products that they might want to use at home?
The only tip I can think of is good old elbow grease.
Well, thanks for that, Jackie.